Goose Stopper is a high-quality, natural repellent designed to keep geese and ducks from roosting and feeding within turf or beach properties for up to 30 days. This strong, concentrate repellent uses a plant-based formula to make treated areas undesirable for web-footed animals. Goose Stopper is harmless to geese and ducks, simply interfering with their senses of smell, taste, and touch, leading them to relocate to other areas quickly and safely. Goose Stopper repellent concentrate will need to be mixed with water before application. Mix and apply this product with a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Before you apply Goose Stopper, identify areas on your property where ducks, geese, and other web-footed animals nest or forage. Look for droppings, damaged turf, feathers, eggshells, and animal tracks. To prevent direct contact with the product, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, a facial covering, and protective eyewear. Then create a solution of 1 part concentrate and 9 parts water. Approximately 13 fluid ounces of concentrate will make 1 gallon of finished solution. We recommend you fill your sprayer with half the amount of water, add your measured amount of Goose Stopper repellent concentrate, then add the remaining amount of water. Agitate your solution so it's evenly mixed. Apply as a fine mist to grass, turf, beaches, docks, walkways, and other areas that need protection. Be sure to spray to the point of wet but not runoff. After application, allow 20 minutes for the product to dry before any irrigation. Repeat this application as needed every 30 days. Goose Stopper repellent concentrate can be applied to park fields, turf areas, beach property, garden plants, flower beds, walkways, and other areas that need protection. Do not apply this product to plants grown for consumption. If you need to protect areas with edible plants, apply Goose Stopper as a perimeter application. Use Goose Stopper repellent concentrate when ducks or geese have been seen foraging, nesting, creating entry damage, or eating plants. If the animals themselves are not personally observed, then apply where signs of activity have been spotted. Goose Stopper repellent concentrate is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling pest control products. Goose Stopper repellent concentrate dries clear and will not stain cement walkways, docks, or other surfaces.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.